Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by exposing the problem quickly. Lay the garment flat in separate layers so you can see the teeth and slider. Use gentle tension to move the slider a millimeter. If fabric is trapped, gently pull it free. If thread catches, trim a snag. Once done, identify whether the teeth are misaligned, the slider is bent, or debris is lodged. Make sure to have pliers and a lubricant ready. The correct diagnosis saves time and prevents further damage. Now focus on freeing and guiding the slider. First, apply wax or soap to the teeth and slider. This reduces friction so teeth can mesh. If the slider is slightly bent, use small pliers to squeeze its sides a tiny amount. You want even pressure, not a crush. Once adjusted, hold fabric taut with one hand and move the slider slowly, a few millimeters at a time, so each tooth aligns and interlocks cleanly. This prevents recatching and makes the zipper smooth again. Finish by running the zipper from bottom to top fully, checking for smooth travel. If it hesitates, relubricate and repeat. If teeth still separate or the slider slides past, replace the slider or secure new top or bottom stops. This fixes persistent slippage. If fabric keeps getting caught, stitch a short barrier or apply narrow tape along the seam to hold folds back. If nothing works, swap the entire zipper. Still, these steps resolve most jams and stop repeat problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.